Another rainy day special, BMW 5 Series. It has a hood latch open light on, but the hood is not open, you can see. So I'm gonna give it a real quick spin. Has clean codes, no codes on, a 528. Let's drive, here we go. Starts right up. 1,100 miles till the next service. Isn't that exciting? It says hood open, but the hood is not open. So as you could see. Land drive. I hate these things. This unlock button. Sorry. Okay. Drive. Here we go. I'm just gonna cruise back over. Not long drives in the rain, folks. But runs and drives. And you've got is the hood open light, and that's it. So, good car. Happy bidding.